Mall of Asia kasi pumunta ka sa National Bookstore. And nakita ko kasi maganda yung branch nila doon sa yung National Bookstore branch nila sa buong maganda. Parang feel ko mas makakakita ko ng madaming titles doon. So, compare sa National Bookstore namin. Sobrang pangit ang National Bookstore malapit sa amin. Parang as in ghost town na ganyan. So, feel ko mas madami doon sa MOA. Kasi alam ko ang tawag din doon sa MOA branch nila is Super Branch. Sana makakita ko ng madaming female authors doon ng books. Kasi yun yung bahay ko today. Puro female authors in honor of the Women's Month. Ganda ng makeup ko today. Guys, nakakita ko ng super mura na like, ano tawag dito? Mga classic books. Sinan nyo, 99 lang. Tapos, like, sobrang happy ko kasi may 99 din na Fathers and Sons ni Ivan Turgenev. Hindi ko papakita to kasi hindi naman siya babae. Pero, ang ganda din kasi merong given na yung ganito, yung ribbon na parang bookmark. So, I am so happy. Kanina pa daw siya nababother kasi
si Dwayne.
Akala niya all this time yung mauuna sa Dwayne niya. So, ano siya? Dwayne?
Kaya nga, Dwayne.
Kita ko si DH na yun. Ano kaya yun? And ito, mahal ng Of Mice and Men. Books. Tapos naman, sobrang nipis lang naman. Pag Penguin Classics talaga eh. Aray ko! Tingin daw si Emma ng unan. Ang kasi may aircon na siya. Kasi may aircon ka na, kaya mag-invest ka na sa unan. Ay, ito pala yung mga wooden trays. I need wooden trays. Asan? Oh, neck support. Neck mo. Ano ko ba? 700 lang? Bakit 2.8? 2.8 din.
Ba't ang dumi?
Yeah.
Hanap tayo ng iba pang budget dito.
Bro, I should have recorded you. We were like running. May hawak-hawak.
Bakit kasi nung isa eh. Hindi naman siya maganon ka lang. Ba't ito malabot? Ano yun? Yung meme? How I lost you ba yan? How I miss you ba yan? Ewan ko.
We've been eating good for the past 2 days. Sarap ng pagkain ni Kahaga. Tapos ngayon. Hindi ka lang.
Gutom na ako. Focus.
Restocking my favorite cleansing oil. Nakalimutan ko yung anong sa akin. Wait. Hindi sensitive yun eh. Where is it?
Ito.
Okay, we are changing locations from MOA to ETC. Kasi dadaan ako sa National to look for more books just in case. Doon yung hinahanap ko. And andito na kami sa Alabang. And I'm still reading Journey by Moonlight. Ay, sakit ng araw. Sobrang dilit naman so much. We'll be there.
Kahapon. Yan na yun.
Okay, so biglang nag-downgrade yung national dito. Ano ba yan? Mali. Ang pangit. Five.
10 seconds na wala na.
Yan na. Okay, so these are the books that I bought today. Ayan siya. Huwag niyo lang pansinin to kasi dalawa yan, lalaki. Pero the rest are female authors. I'm really excited to reading Summer and Secret Garden. And nabasa ko to eh. This is one of my favorite feminist books. Feminism books. Hindi. Feminist books. Sure ako ganun. And then Heaven. And then ito, Naturally. I love her. Agatha Christie. L.M. Montgomery, The Blue Castle, I love. And I haven't had the chance to read any Anne Bronte's works. Bronte. Hindi kasi Bronte. I'm not sure. And yeah, ito Fathers and Sons ni Turgenev is also well loved. Ito sobrang mahal nito. Ito naman sobrang nipis. Pero ito na naman yung presyo, $5.95. Buti na lang sponsored. Buti na lang gifted. Yan, hindi sponsored. Hindi pa sponsored. Next time ang sponsored pero gifted siya sa akin. So, yay! Thank you! Medyo malapit na yung pagod. Bro, bakit hindi siya gumagalaw? That's scary. Never mind. Wait, a special guest. Bro, you funny. Napilitan. Ngayon ka lang ata gumising umaga ulit. Okay, I'm trying to achieve 0.4 km na tuloy-tuloy. Kasi nung nakaraan 0.3. Thank you, Lord. Miss Emma. Bro, you push me, ah. Pagod ako. Gawe, ganda ng view. Bandun. So, magaya ka na din.
Ang graphics taasan natin, binabaan ko.
Wala eh, hindi kaya talaga. Ta-da! Another Amazon purchase. Productive Sunday as a married couple. Gusto ko nga sana i-prepare na yung ingredients para mamaya. Wow!
Ano mag-birthday na nila?
Wow! Hindi, I mean like, hihiwain ko kasi. Yes! This is Hunger. I just read this as in, hindi ko lang po same vlog, pero nabasa ko na siya 3 days ago yata. So, sobrang ko siya nagustuhan to the point na bumili na ako ng physical copy. Kasi walang copy nito everywhere, kundi sa Amazon. And then, ito, Invention of Morel by Adolfo Casares. I've heard lots of good things about this. Tapos, since NYRB siya, yan, perfect addition to the new collection. Ayun lang. Ayun lang yung binili ko. I'm trying to, inisip ko kung mag-prepare na ba ako sa lutuin ko. Para mamaya, if ever na malapit nang kumain, pwede ko na siya. Mabilis na siya iluto. Eh baka mamaya, alam mo yun, biglang lumamig agad. So, baka mag-prep muna ako ng ingredients. Ano ba tong camera ko? Ang inat. yeah. It was her first day at school too. Fully gone. And then she said like...
Ito yung ginagawa natin, kaya tumatalsik.
Hindi, ganun pa naman kami.
Bakit ka naman?
Go, go, go. You want me to hold? Just push it to the edge and then grab it with the tongue. You aren't even hiding behind the shield. There. Ow! Shit, what was that? Ew.
1, 2, 3.
Wah! Parang nasa commercial. Mapipilit. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Wow. Damn.
Pag-deodorant ba ako? Garium na bro. Wala na wala. Naging cheese siya, mahal.
Weh? Wow, angas ah. That's foreshadowing to our future. It's the next day. We have another package. I believe ito yung Amazon na inaantay ko. Kasi nakalagay ito Ascendia. And oh my gosh. 4 to 3 months ago ko po in-order to. Hindi ko lang kung sinabi ko yun. May kalamansi. Pero maybe this is the time. Maybe ito na yun. And peep the background. I'm trying to organize kung saan ko lalagay yung mga ibang Penguin Classics ko na books. Maybe upstairs para mas maganda siya tignan. And kasi papalitan ko na tong shelf ko na to. It's not really serving me anymore. And matagal na siyang may sira. Hindi ko sure kung I just got the bad stock. But gusto ko na siyang palitan into yung same na wood-ish na shelf. Pero gusto ko pa-customize ng shelf. Sana naman ito na yung inaantay ko, please. Sana. Yes! Finally! Dumating na sila. This is one of my favorite short novellas. Or novellas. Kasi alam ko pag novella, parang short story siya. This is just a story by Stefan Zweig. I read this 3 months ago? 2 months ago. And nasa video ko din yun. Love. This is my favorite cover niya, or edition niya, UNYRB. So I decided to buy this one. Kasi wala nang stock to. Kaya wala akong choice kundi bumili dun sa same store. And maybe never again ako bibili sa same store. And binilang ko silang dalawa kasi tagal nila mag-ship. And then we also have the Most Loved NYRB Stoner by John Williams. Hindi ko pa siya nababasa. And I think it's gonna be a short read. Kasi parang so far, hindi pala short read. Mga 280 pages. But I finally have a copy. Woo! Happy dumating na siya. Kala ko scam yung yung sa Amazon na store eh. Pero, sabi kasi April 1 pa dadating. Bes magiging 5 months na yun. Ano ba yan? So, yaho. Wala kaming water today. So, sana bumalik na siya ng around 5 p.m. Kasi, gusto ko nang maligo. Init na ako. So, I'm just gonna put this on my shelf. Kasi growing NYRB collection ko. Okay, so as you can see, I took a bath and I am only, I think, 5 pages. I only have 5 pages left dito sa binabasa kong libro, which is Journey by Moonlight. And oh my gosh, I love it. As in, and let's see if anong mangyayari sa last 5 pages na to. And it's not really a literature na I think all of people will enjoy. It's definitely depende sa iyo kung ma-enjoy mo siya or not. It depends on your taste or kung paano mo siya i-take. Definitely not for everyone. Kasi feel ko lahat ng NYRB classics ganun, parang depende sa iyo kung ma-appreciate mo siya or hindi. Since hindi na siya kasi pinapublish yung mga ganitong stories. So I'm so excited sa last 5 pages. Okay, I just finished it. Ganda. It's, ewan ko, ibang ano siya, ibang world siya. And I've been right kasi binasa ko una na yung Pendragon Legend ni Antal after nung The Hunger. Kasi I wanted to read his work. Tapos parang 3 pages in pa, sabi ko, ang ganda niya magsulat. Pero gusto kong, to the point na gusto kong basahin yung pinaka like well-acknowledged work niya yata tong Journey by Moonlight. And ang ganda. I want to read his other book na Pendragon Legend. I think yun yung mas more mystical, magical realism yata. Hindi ko sure kasi may mga Pendragon, magic shit. Pero so far, I love his writing. And ang ganda nung Journey by Moonlight. Ay parang saan kasi ang minsan ang basis ko sa 5 stars or yung talagang nagustuhan ko if I would reread it again, kung babasahin ko siya ulit. And definitely this one, kahit sobrang ano niya, wala naman nangyayari, ganun. Kasi literature is about that, kasi parang more on character development and yung nangyayari na changes or yung plot is within the character. So, definitely one of my favorite authors now. Galing. Kakain na ako. Okay, so, may hyperfixation ako na ayusin to. Since wala pa lang masyado siyang ayos, I'm trying to figure out kung lahat ng books ito, ng mga collections ko. I'm gonna remove this and put it around here. Instead of, ito yung mga Penguin Classics ko, ilalagay ko siya dito. And I'm gonna look for other Penguin Classics ko na pwede kong ilagay dito. And yung mga ibang fave books ko right now, ito, ayan. I don't know if same vlog ko ba napakita to, pero ayan siya. And I'm thinking my miniature, I think I'm gonna put it, baka naman siya lagay dito, pero tinan ko pa. Hanapin kay ibang Penguin Classics. Okay, so this is the situation so far. This I have because this is my dried flower. I'm still in the process of drying it. Pero, ano ba yung kailangan ko? Penguin Classics and yung NYRB ko. So, ito, East of Eden. Ito, Giovanni's Room. This is a Penguin Modern Classic. Ito, dalawa. So, now, for the NYRBs, I have 2. And then, I'm gonna get I think these Pushkin Classics, Pushkin Press Classics, the Pillow Book, and the Dubliners since it is a Penguin Classic. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna take these 2 with me, but I'm thinking maybe not. Actually I can take these ones also since they're from the same publisher. I also have my Albert Camus, The Plague, but hindi ko siya na-linis before pa to eh. As in, tayo ko siya binili from a second-hand bookshop before pandemic pa to. So, I think I might have to reclean this. Pero grabe yung cover, ganda. I also have itong mga, hindi ko lang for sure mayroon pa akong vintage na publisher like this, the Murakami. Pero, inisip ko, let's start with Camus muna. And then, Toni Morrison. Kasi, feel ko meron akong quite collection. Mga 3 books niya yata. And then, itong Penguin Classics. And then, ayan, kukunin ko pati ito. Which I bought in Singapore. Ano natin itong mga to. Para isang buong shelf is dedicated to the books. Masyadong daming generous. Ayan. Oops. Super dami. And then, itong mga Japanese books ko. And then, Korean. And ito. Tabi ko muna. Ayan, as you can see, ito lahat ng NYRB ko. So, wait. Yung NYRB ko na kinuha ko kanina, lagay ko na dyan. Dalawa na Soul, and then the On the Marble Cliffs. Ayoko medyo ng color-coded siya. Kasi parang magiging too organized kung color-coded. Parang okay na ako dyan. Siguro, light to dark na lang, actually. Ayan. I feel like okay na ako. Medyo okay na yan. And then, yung next ko naman is, I think, yung Signature Classics Publishing yata. Or Union Square and Company. Ayan. Kasi, hindi ko nakakano ng aesthetic. Yan, medyo same sila ng a little bit. Then, actually, itong Every Month's Classic ko, since ito yung favorite ko, lagay ko siya dito sa pinakatulo. Kasi siya yung pinakamalaki. Oops. Ayan. Yung Penguin Classics ko siguro na black version niya. Yung ganito yung spine. Kasi di ko na sure kung kakasya na siya. As you can see. Well, I can remove naman yung collection ko ni Toni Morrison. Or mas maganda ba kung lahat Penguin Classics na lang muna. Bago yung ibang publishers. Ayan. Ayan, mas okay ba yan? Kasi parang masyadong nakakano sa mata. Lagay ko muna dito. Ayan, these are my Penguin Classics din na black spine. So, feel ko mauna muna yung mga yung mga new version yata. Alam po mas new version yung hindi orange yung text eh. Yeah, that looks good. And then, maybe, just maybe, if you can still squeeze in yung Pushkin Press Classics ko. Since I love them so far. Teka. Nakita ko na. Ito yung dalawang Pushkin Press ko pa. So, to complete this, ayan siya. Yes! Kailangan ko pa dito para hindi sila mag-fall over. So, let's see if kaya pa itong dalawa. Okay, so, I just put the, ano bang publisher to? Basta yan, nilagay ko siya dyan. Then, hindi ko na dinecide na ilagay yung iba kong Penguin Classics na modern classics, which are these. Ayan siya. Kasi hindi na siya kasha. And, okay naman na ako since may representation naman ng Penguin Classics dito sa part ito. So, ayan. It looks good. I'm fine with it. So, yay. Okay, don't know why. Ay, grabe na talaga yung impulse buying ko. Pero in my defense, niregalo kasi sa akin ni ate is money. So, I figured this is the right time. Kasi pag
money ang best na gift sa'yo for your birthday kasi during the time, hindi ko pa alam yung gusto kong bilhin. So, buti na lang money ang binigay niya sa akin kasi I ordered these books and kaya ko sila in-order kasi I'm doing a other publishers other than NYRB video. Ano oras pa nga ito? This is March 17. Feel ko kasi baka mamaya by the time na dumating to mamaya may nakagawa na ng ibang video. So, hopefully they will arrive this month, pero like this one kagaya niyan ang tagal super. So let's see, since it is very matagal, sana dumating siya before expected time. Kagaya na to kasi ito dumating siya today, which is expected siya April 1, diba? So, sana dumating sila this month. Good morning. May muta ba ako? This, I think, 7th day of trying to become a better person. I have 2 super weird na panaginip kanina. Una, parang si Ayu daw kasama ko, tapos parang nasa probinsya kami. Tapos meron naging nasa PBB ako. Naglang naging experiment to ako kaming lahat. Like, ginigno kami. And then, and then second is, wala nangyari yung panaginip ko. Nakalimutan ko bigla. Anyways, I need to go. Bye. I'm gonna change my clothes na.
I saw her checking her phone.
Tapos Milo after. Yung pacing ko, 12 minutes, 3 kilometers. Tapos, alam ko yung very first day ko na jog, ang pacing ko nun, 16 minutes. Mas maganda pa yung power walk ko today. Tapos yung first day ko din, 2 kilometer lang. Tapos, 16 minutes pa yun. Tapos ngayon, 3 kilometer, 3.2 with 12 minutes na power walk lang. I mean, power walk yung ginawa ko today. So, improving. Kahit power walk nga eh. Tingnan mo kung gano'n ka-oily after run. Inisip ko magbasa muna ng libro after eating kasi kakain ko lang. This is The Invention of Morel. And it's only 100 pages. So, it's pretty short read. Kasi tinatamad pa maligo actually. And hindi naman ako masyadong nagdamihan since around the area lang ako nag-power walk pala, hindi run. Kasi, pag nasa labas ako, dun ako like super icky, sticky feeling. Whereas kapag dito around the area lang, parang wala naman masyadong nangyari. And I also just power walked. So, I'm reading before maligo. Kasi minsan pag naligo ako after, parang kabaliktaran, parang mas inaantok ako. Parang, for some reason, yung body signal ko, no, parang matutulog na ganun yung signal niya. So, pero minsan din naman, effective naman na parang gumising ako pag naliligo. Pero most of the time, pag after ng workout, tapos naligo ako. Tapos settle in ako. Like, I just sit or semi-higa. Inaantok talaga ako. So, I decided to take the time to read hanggat meron pa akong adrenaline or dopamine or something, yung chemically, ganyan. And, ayan. Is my bookmark that I'm gonna use from Emani from Malaysia. Yahoo. I think this is a summer read. Kasi yung pinaka-unang setting na is summer siya. And it's very hot. So, I'm not sure if it's a summer read. If it's a summer read, it's perfect kasi ang init sobra. Sister, hindi ko makita yung hairbrush ko. As in, like kahapon pa. Yung ginagamit ko from Daiso. Hindi ko nagalaw siya kasi nagay. I'm so confused. And sobrang init today. Like, yung init niya, yung humid. Init, yung parang malagkit. So, I'm trying to figure out kung paano maging less init today. And mag-lotion pa ako. So, ilalong lalagkit. Now, to my favorite part of the day. This is where, na tayo, talagang relax na tayo. We are freshly clean. Bagong ayos yung kama natin. I just did my exercise. Nakakain na tayo. It's time to have the peaceful time para magbasa and to dive into other worlds. That's why reading is so fun to me kasi syempre pa nasa bahay ka lang, you still get to travel sa ibang mundo without actually being outside the house. Kasi mahal na ngayon lumabas. I'm already 50% in and it's sabihin? It's gripped me so far talaga. I could not put this book down. And baka feel ko matatapos ko na siya within an hour or more. 1.5 hour, ganyan. And I also love how may mga ganito pang drawing siya ng niya. Kasi parang siya diary-ish siya ng main character na siya, fugitive ata yung pronunciation, yung parang runaway sa mga and then sinabi sa kanya ng Italian man na meron siyang alam na island na pwede niyang tiran pero hindi lahat makakasurvive doon kasi may museum and chapel doon, and he's been seeing a lot of ghosts right now. Hindi ko alam kung ghost talaga pero kasi bigla-bigla na lang may makita siyang mga tao na nag-uusap, ganyan. Last 11 or 12 pages. Damn! Tapos na. Grabe naman. Hanggang dulo, hindi ko mababa tong book na to. Sobrang ganda. Definitely will look for other books na ganitong vibes. Siya, yung parang combination ng lahat ng gusto ko sa isang libro. Short, concise, straight to the point, with a hint of mystery, and syempre literature, yung parang about pa din sa human behavior and human condition, mind condition, ganyan. And this is like a recipe for me talaga. Ayan. And I've heard na may dumating sa aking LBC. Feel ko yung Nancy Drew books ko na yun kasi I love Nancy Drew books. Like, I think that was ayun yung earliest ko na naalala ko I think yun yung earliest ko na naalala ko ng libro na binasa ko talaga na I even borrowed from our library. Tapos naalala ko yung yellow cover niya. Tapos sa likod ng book, yung parang library card, yun yung pinaka-earliest kong naalala sa book. Siyempre, binasa ko ng mga books nung bata ako. Very bata pa ako na I couldn't even remember na. Pero yun yung earliest ko talaga naalala ko is si Nancy Drew. Kaya I've been wanting to get a copy of Nancy Drew books. Ano ko pa yung isa na gusto kong Nancy Drew kasi mahilig ako sa miniature, bata pa lang ako. Yung parang The Dollhouse na book yun. Pero hindi ko talaga siya mahanap. But hopefully we will find that soon. Ang gulo ng buhok ko kasi hindi ako napagsukulay masyado. Okay, so LBC package. Pero parang feel ko hindi pala siya yung Nancy Drew books ko kasi parang masyado siyang malaki. Okay, tama ako. It's the Nancy Drew books. And mura lang siya, 99 kada isa. Kaso, isip ko, the first 4 books na lang muna. Since ang pinakamahalaga kasi sa akin yung first book mismo ni Nancy Drew na sa series. Kasi, medyo feel ko, syempre yun yung kailangan if you're gonna collect Nancy Drew books. Jana, look at this. The Nancy Drew. Yes. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Talagang 4 yung hinuli ko kasi mayroong lilac na nakalagay sa title na ayan, lilac in. Ayan. Wow. Aww. Alala ko pa yung librarian ko nun, si Miss Carpio. Yes. So, dahil inaantok ako, I decided to read few, di ko alam kung tawag dito passages. Hindi naman passages, but I call it passages kasi this is a very thick book and this is a very difficult book to read. Not entirely because sobrang complex ng topic niya, pero medyo yung writing, it's almost like poetry na talaga. And I've decided nung last week pa actually na everyday I'm gonna read at least 35 passages kasi very siya, unique yung itsura niya. Ayan, parang may numbering siya. Ayan. As you can see. I figured, kinampit ko until the very end of the month. Sakto kapag every day, 35 passages. Pero nakaskip ako ng ilang days. So, I'm still keeping up today. Ulit yung first day ko sa pagbabasa ng 35 pages. Ay, 35 passages. Tapos, mga end of the month or mga last week of the month, tignan ko kung gano'n na lang matitira. Kasi, doon ko na lang siya hahabulin. Kasi this is a very, very unique book. Ayun naman, gutom na ako. Sige, mga sa'yo pag-desisyonan mo. Butter. Grabe, ang dami. Ito one of my favorite cardigan dati. Kaso, mulmul na siya. Tapos may glitter. Pamigay mo na to?